Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my home in beautiful North Georgia. Today I wanted to do a little quick video, especially targeted to you ladies with smaller size heads who wear glasses. It can be complicated and frustrating and even painful for beginners. I've been there. The first thing I do, once I put on my wig grip, then my hair, making sure the ear tabs are even, I check my lace front. Inevitably, on these caps I've been buying recently, I started out with the John Renault and Ellen Villa, and they fit pretty well. Then I started, as I bought more, I saw that inevitably I was going to have a problem with getting lace fronts to lie down. So what I do is, once I put my hair on, I get the edges of that cap up above my arms on my glasses, because you do not want it pressing on those. It will press into that bone, and by the end of the day you're going to be sore. If I took this cap and I pulled the edges down, I could fit it over the top of my ears. My dimensions on the rest of my head are child to petite size. My circumference is 21 1/4, which is not terrible, but it's the rest of my dimensions, and having a small forehead, a narrow face, that I think complicates it. So this is my routine. After I get that done, I got that lace front sticking out. I take the nape of the wig and I give her a good snug pull, and I pull her down in the back over that wig grip and get her in place. She's fixed. Sometimes I end up having to glue them if I do not have the time or want to be bothered with all the extra moving around. But I'm getting pretty good at it. Next thing I do is I take a wide tooth comb. I do like John Renault's wide tooth comb. And I go around the rest of the wig, the whole perimeter. Just the bottom layer works really well on wavy styles. And I just comb down that under layer. And it brings it closer into my neck, and it separates it, and to me it makes it look a little bit more natural. I saw that tip somewhere on a video. I wish I could remember who it was. It was a long time ago. Next thing I do, pull off my eyewear, and I take this comb and I separate that hair at the temples and the ear tabs. Put my glasses back on, and very carefully I work the arms over the hair, not the ear tab per se. You can bend those in a little bit, make sure they're adjusted well. The ear tab, hair only. Some of you may not want to do that, and some of you may not like the way it looks on yourself. Everybody's so different. That's why we need to have grace for one another, because what I have to offer may not be for everybody, and what you have to offer may not be for everybody. So let's extend grace to everybody and glean what we can. So the next thing I do is I separate this section. Now, if I'm going to dress this wig up to wear to an occasion, I wouldn't do this. This is just a more casual look. I pin this almost straight back. And ladies, when you do that, please look in the mirror and make sure you don't have anything pinned where it shouldn't and a weft showing or whatever. So that, I feel like, opens my face up just a little bit more. Then I hold down my lace front, I take this comb, now if I want to define those waves over here on this side, I can. But I push it back and pull it forward. Again, This is Soft and Subtle by Gabor in Petite Average in the color Toasted Pecan. I hope this helps someone and you have a blessed day.